Welcome to today's video. Today, myself and my wife decided to go and join Andre the Hilarious Hypnotist at his show. It was actually quite awesome. I am also a certified hypnotherapist and decided to go and watch the show and to see it from the other side. So I hope you guys will like and enjoy and look at the program. Thanks. Yes, as you can see, this is the technique they use to put a person under and put you deeper and deeper into a hypnotic trance. And yes, I actually then became the star of the show.
Nice to meet you. Relax, take a seat. Nice to meet you. Eyes closed, right on your feet. Eyes closed, right on your feet. I'm not going to make this guy jump around too much. It'll be a bit unfair. Eyes closed, deep sleep. There you go. You play the trumpet. Very good, the trumpet. Up, both hands. And the trumpet. Trumpet. God, I was like, what the hell's he playing? God, you have it. Now when I say trumpet, when I say play, play. When I say faster, you go faster. When I say slower, you go slower. When I snap my fingers, trumpet, 3, 2, 1, hit it! Go, go, go! Hit the band there, guys. Band music. Go, go, faster, faster, faster. Are you deaf or is it the sound? You can't hear me? Maybe there's up the monitor for us. No, probably not. No. Microphones have a tendency to work that side. So I'll just get off the mic every now and then. Okay, good. So, hypnotized?
I think so.
I think so too. Good. When I snap my fingers, it's still a famous actor. You're impersonating a washing machine. Now once again, great creativity. You're a washing machine. You're going to move your body as if you're a washing machine. You're going to make it happen. Move your body as if you're a washing machine. Very creative at this. Don't overdo it. Don't hurt yourself. Stay within your safety limits. 3, 2, 1. Washing machine. Go, 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 go. Faster, faster, faster. Go, 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 go. Spin side. Go, go, go. Faster, 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 faster. Go, 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 go. Faster, 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 faster. Go. When I snap my fingers, it's not a goldfish, it's a sprinkler. Wetting the garden, it's a really big garden. You're wetting the garden. 3, 2, 1, sprinkler, go, 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 go. Sprinkler, sprinkler, go, 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 faster, faster, faster. Go, go, go. Wetting the garden, go, 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 go. Sprinkler, hey, faster, 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 faster. Go, go, go. Sprinkler. This man's pretty good. Somebody lives in Pietermaritzburg. You guys been to Pietermaritzburg?
Hometown.
dodgy little bunch, those. Yeah. I used to perform at that, what they call the Winston Churchill. Not so much anymore. No, now a regular haunt. When I snap my fingers, you are a goldfish.
Oh.
You guys are marine fish, right? You don't do goldfish. You're a clownfish. What's the clownfish's name? Nemo. Nemo. You like going Nemo. Before what I had eaten. With Nemo. Fish one. Nemo. Swim around the fish tank. Happy for the fish. Having a blast all the time. Lovely day in the water. Happy. Happy little fish swimming around the fish tank. Happy. Little shark in the tank. Shark like a wave. Shark. Swimming and it's swimming. Swim. Shark. Big shark. Fish. Managing shark. Sleep. When I snap my fingers, wide awake, feel fantastic, wake. Sorry, I didn't even ask, what was your name?
Billy.
Billy, nice to meet you. So you say, what do you do now?
Inkman. Ink for printing.
I thought you said hitman. That's a job in this
Hitman.
It's possible. The way this is going, it's possible. So you're ink man. Is there still a demand for ink?
Yes.
I just like to ask, I'm not the computer AI duty. So, I don't like printers and all those good things. You said your name is Billy.
Billy.
You wouldn't forget your name.
No.
No, I mean, that's just be stupid. I do, but I'm older than you, I think. Sleep. Now, snap my fingers, Billy, you wide awake when you try and say your name. You cannot say English with your name. It will not come out of your mouth. Even though you might remember your name, when you try and say it, it's stuck. It will not come out of your mouth. Wide awake. Wait. What is your name? Take your time. Hurry. I get paid by the hour. Do that. When you're ready, I'm going to do all the work. What is your name? What's your name? I'm like Billy. Come on, Billy, you can do this. Billy, what's your name? Billy, shout it out to the audience. Tell the audience, what is your name? Today. Sleep. It's Patricia. Wait. What is your name?
Patricia.
That's a laugh. Don't know why they laugh. Rude people.
Patricia.
Of course, you look like Patricia. I'm not questioning it. No, I thought this was a Patricia. You're a man, but that's besides the point.
Pat. Patricia.
Got it. The last Patricia I worked with was a very famous singer, Patricia Lewis. She lives down here now. Never really looked at her eyes. Other stuff to look at. Very well gifted lady. She could sing as well. Never heard a song. I was too busy. Patricia Kalisha would be a stripper. That also happened in my life. I wasn't Patricia Kalisha, but there was a town called Welkom, and I performed there. And they had Patricia and a bunch of male strippers. And they asked me to be the MC because my show was going to be on that evening. My show never went on. Sleep. The reason my show never went on was because that day the theatre burned down. Because Patricia couldn't eat fire, even though she said she could. Venice Oppenheimer Theatre doesn't exist anymore. We were all there to watch it burn. Patricia, acting horribly wrong. While we at it, you were a lap dancer. So right to the last track there, guys. Remember I said there's always that track. You never know when I'm going to use it. Patricia, the lap dancer. Up on your feet. How to do these steps? I said, yeah, it's going to be fun. You're going to go down the steps and you'll give somebody a lap dance. Oh, it's wife. He's all, what do I wake up? Everybody, oh, sex. Let me take out your coat. Breathe slow. Let me take out your shoes. Wait. Now, let's not do that. Wait. Yeah, there's kids in the audience tonight. Come here. Come here. They're impressionable. They watch TikTok. Don't do that. I snap my fingers wide awake. When you wake up this time around, your number 2 has disappeared. You can count 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No matter how many times you count, it can be 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wide awake. Come on here. Call me so Patricia. Belly, your name's Belly. Because I forget. I send people home and then they follow. I'm like, sorry, Patricia's not. No, it really happened the other day in Belinda. Like that was very close to the theatre. Billy, how many fingers do you have? This morning, when you woke up, you did the ink. People phone you, they say, how many inks do they want? How many fingers do you have? Puzzled. It's not even a trick question. Start at 1.
Must I count?
Yeah, I'm going to do it.
1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11 fingers.
10.
Right, start at 1.
1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Have 11 fingers? How many do you think you have?
10.
You sure? You notice you had 11?
1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11. You have 11 fingers.
Freaking alien.
Well, don't be harsh with yourself. I mean, like I'm saying, I've seen this before. How to them. They have 11 fingers. The brother and the sister's normally the same person, but don't let that. Somebody stole the number 2. I've seen this. I'm from Joburg. They do it. They stole your number 2. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 10 because my number 2 is still there. Yours, watch, count.
1, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That hand, what?
1, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 and 6s?
12.
So how many goes this?
Yeah, you're going up.
Trust me, somebody stole number 2. I've seen this. It's Mr. Greenshade. He's from Margaret. Capital of finger thieves.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, he took it. Tell him you want it back.
Give me my finger back.
Something.
Give me my finger back.
Word.
I'm a biker. He's not a bloke.
Sleep. He's a moon. He's not moon. He's a Chinese person. He speaks only Chinese. Luckily, so do you. Shout at him in Chinese. Wide awake. Tell him you want your finger.
Ain't I doing it?
If you don't get your finger, I'm going to kidnap these children. You're going to chop him up in little pieces. Chop him up in little pieces. You're going to throw him in a boat. Eat them for supper. Wake up! Stop talking rubbish. Wakey. Fingers are normal. Count them. Start at 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good. Mr. Biker. You got 10.
10.
Good. Sleep. I'm going to round it off on that. Because he's a biker, Afrikaans, I have just the right one for him. Can we pop in there? Kurt Allen. Hop, hop, spinner cops. It'll be the second Kurt Allen. When I snap my fingers, you're wide awake. You're asleep, not yet. Oh, Kurt Allen.
Oh my goodness.
Is that not a good
No.
start? You videotape it, which is great. You send it to me.
I will.
You just find just any social thing. I'm there. I love videotaping Kurt. It's my life. I was his corporal in the army. We shared the room. So it's my life's ambition. So here at night when I get a video clip of me and here, Kurt Allen, I send it to Kurt. And I know he's down here. So I'd love nothing more than to send him on tonight saying,
Not a problem.
Kurt Allen, hop, hop, spin a hop. 3 to 1, wide awake. Hop, hop. Captain. Yes, hop, hop. Captain. Oh, that's Captain. That's not hop, hop. You're the star of tonight's show. You're going to feel great. Is there anything I can make you wash the dishes, mow the lawn?
No.
Motivating the brush. I can make you forget you. I can leave you with you.
You'll never forget me.
You'll forget. Oh, you will. Well, at least on one. You're okay? You're going to just okay.
Fun.
South and South. My wife is in Melfresh. She's married.
He's no hassle. He's no hassle. He's.
You happy people. Go away. No, it's good. It's good. Don't be like me. Don't be a sucker. I said, I've always had chihuahuas. I said, hey? You either get dogs or you marry. I had the dogs. When I start watching you right away, when you wake up, you feel great, fantastic, wonderful. You feel like you had 8 hours of incredible sleep. Really good mood. You feel like you're the star of the show. People show you what you did, you're going to laugh with them, you can't believe you. That's incredible, it's brilliant. And who knows, someday when you come back, you might want to come back up on stage. 3 to 1, wide awake, feel fantastic. Let's give a man a round of applause. Billy, you're awesome. Before you run off, just stay standing with me. So guys, I've done 45 minutes so you can see what happens. Billy, you good?
Yes.
Feeling young and healthy?
Yeah, very good.
Good. No side effects yet. You want to check your fingers? Your name is?
Checking my fingers,
Your
yes.
name is?
Billy.
Oh, you had to still think about it, but okay. No, as long as you're on the same page.
Are you still married?
Are Are you
Yes.
last chance? Don't complain about lawyers' fees, eh? Relationship, you guys love each other, which is lovely. I don't see that a lot. People are like, oh, I want to hear about it. All right, here's what we're going to do. Sunday show on me. You could bring 10 people. I don't care. As I said, the casino's not going to mind because you eat and gamble and everything else. I'm not going to mind because I've got to do a show. I'm on the contract. So I'm here. So you are going to do it, and when you come through, you're going to say, we'll be on Friday night. Gentleman at the door, you met him, Michael. He'll be aware of it. I think he's in the back there. But I'll speak to him now. You say, we'll be on Friday night. These 50 hours. Good. Let's fill this place. It's a very big theatre, guys. It really is. But it's the only theatre, kind of, as you know, full urban. We've only been 4 times this year, sold out. So let's make this happen. Bring your friends, your family, all those people that irritate you, bring them as well.
Oh, yes. Now we're talking.
Oh, you see?
Uh-huh.
If you did not enjoy the show, if you what a load of rubbish, tell the people Steve Hofmeyer is here on Sunday. Deal? What a good guy.
I should get them, yeah.
Billy, thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys, for supporting me. I really appreciate it. Even though 140 bought tickets, the 20 of you showed up. Have a brilliant night. We'll see you again. Drive home safely. Good night, guys. Good night, Billy.
Thank you.
Good night.